Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by disconnecting the battery negative terminal and waiting 1 minute to prevent shorting the HVAC motor. Once done, remove the lower dash panel and glove box. These give direct access to the passenger side HVAC housing. You need basic hand tools, 7mm/8mm sockets, a Phillips screwdriver, and a small flashlight. Identify the actuator, a small plastic box with a 3-pin connector. Take a quick photo of connector and screw locations. You unplug the 3-pin connector by pressing the retaining tab. This prevents breaking the clip. Next, remove the mounting screws, usually 3, while holding the actuator so it doesn't drop into the duct. Carefully pull the actuator off the blend door shaft. Inspect the white plastic gear for stripped teeth, which usually cause failure. Before installing the new unit, compare splines and connector pins to ensure fit. If the old gear is stuck, gently rotate it back to alignment to free the shaft. You position the new actuator on the blend door shaft, making sure splines mesh. Start the screws by hand to avoid cross-threading. Once secured, reconnect the 3-pin connector and reinstall the glove box and lower dash panel. Reconnect the battery negative terminal. With the key on and engine off, cycle HVAC modes and change temperature to confirm smooth, quiet movement. Listen for clicking, which indicates gear stripping. If clicking persists, recheck spline alignment and verify the replacement part matches OEM orientation. This single check solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.